Hello everyone, how tutorials back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can change your background background theme in your Google Workshop or Google Keep Notes. Okay, so you need to go Google Workshop, or then I need to take another file, and you can see by default it's black or gray, but if I wanna um, change this background like any pattern, then you can see its color plate. So click on this, and the first row it's color, it's solid color. But if you wanna take anything like any background pattern, so just simply click on this and you will get the option change the pattern. So you can see that it's like a really interesting and really beautiful looking. So now you can type anything title, and you can type on paragraph, and it's really good to see. So you can change the background easily from this color plate. So okay friend, today is Norman. Thank you for watching this video.